Hello, good morning. So today we are going to answer number 2 question in the PASBAR exam 2024 in criminal law. So here, Bruno, 17 years old and a first-time offender, was charged with and convicted of illegal sale of dangerous drugs under Section 5 of Republic Act number 9165 or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. In the imposition of the penalty, the trial court appreciated the privileged mitigating circumstances of minority in favor of Bruno and sentenced him with the indeterminate penalty of 7 years of prison mayor as minimum to 14 years, 8 months, and 1 day of reclusion temporal as maximum. Thereafter, Bruno applied for probation invoking Section 70 of Republic Act number 9165, which entitles first-time minor offenders to probation, even if the sentence provided under this act is higher than provided under existing law on probation. However, the trial court ruled that Bruno is ineligible for probation following Section 24 of Republic Act number 9165, which provides that any person convicted for drug trafficking or pushing under this act, regardless of the penalty imposed by the court, cannot avail of the privilege granted by the probation law. Is Bruno eligible for probation? Explain. So that's the answer for that's the question for the number 2 in criminal law. So here is our answer. No, Bruno is not ineligible for probation. Under Section 24 of the law, it provides that any person convicted for drug trafficking or pushing under this act, regardless of the penalty imposed by the court, cannot avail of the privilege granted by the probation law or PD 968. As amended, interpreting this provision, it is clear under Section 24 of RA 9165 that any person convicted of drug trafficking cannot avail of the privilege of probation. The intention of the legislators is to provide stiffer and harsher punishment for those persons convicted of drug trafficking or pushing, while extending a sympathetic and magnanimous hand in Section 70 to drug dependents who are found guilty of violation of Section 11 and 15 of the Act. The law considers the users and possessors of illegal drugs as victims, while the drug traffickers and pushers as predators. Hence, while traffickers and pushers are categorically disqualified from availing the law on probation, youthful drug dependents, users, and possessors alike are given the chance to mend their ways. Had it been the intention of the legislators to exempt from the application of Section 24 the drug traffickers and pushers who are minors and first-time offenders, the law could have easily declared so. Provision law would only apply to first-time offenders who are not charged with Section 5 of. Further, where the imposable penalty is more than 6 years, the diversion shall be undertaken by the courts in case the penalty imposable is not more than 12 years, regardless of the fine or fine only, regardless of the amount and before arraignment of the child in conflict to the law. CICL, the court shall determine whether or not diversion is appropriate. Furthermore, RA number 1707 on November 26, 2025, the provision law was amended by RA 10707. The law states that when a judgment or conviction imposing a non-provisionable penalty is appealable as or reviewed, and such judgment is modified through the imposition of provisionable penalty. The defendant shall be allowed to apply for probation based on the modified decision before such decision becomes final. In same, in same light, probation is a disposition under which a defendant, after conviction and sentence, is released subject to the conditions imposed by the court and to the supervision of a probation officer. So that's around, sir. Source, Professor Freddy M. Nahura, no Jara, Criminal Law Reviewer. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. So, good day and God bless my compañeros and compañeras and those who are in the Lex circle. Thank you.